Harness the power of your body and mind. Elevate your strength and endurance with power yoga. Imagine your body as a temple, an abode of strength, and your mind as the key to unlocking this power. That's right, the key to strength and endurance resides within you, waiting to be discovered, explored, and mastered. And the pathway to this discovery? Power yoga. Power yoga is a dynamic, physically demanding practice that synchronizes breath and movement to produce an internal heat designed to purify the body. It's renowned for its ability to build strength, flexibility, and endurance, making it an ideal workout for those who desire a challenging and invigorating form of exercise. But the benefits of power yoga extend far beyond just the physical. Through the practice of power yoga, you can cultivate a greater sense of mental clarity. It's like peeling back layers of fog from your consciousness, revealing a world of sharp focus and clear thought. The poses, transitions, and breathing exercises require concentration and mental resilience, thereby training your mind to stay calm and focused, even in the face of adversity. In addition to enhancing physical strength and mental clarity, power yoga is a potent stress buster. It encourages you to connect with your breath, to stay present in the moment, and to let go of the day's worries. As you flow through the sequences, you'll find your stress melting away, replaced by a sense of inner peace and tranquility. Moreover, power yoga can help improve muscle tone and flexibility. The dynamic and fluid movements stretch and strengthen the muscles, promoting a lean and toned physique. With regular practice, you'll notice improved posture, enhanced balance, and a newfound grace in your movements. If you're ready to unlock your full potential, then join us on this power yoga journey. Immerse yourself in this transformative practice and witness the profound impact it can have on your body, mind, and spirit. Uncover your inner strength, enhance your endurance, and find your zen. It's time to harness the power within. Before we dive in, it's important to create a conducive environment for your yoga practice. Picture a space that is serene, calm, and quiet. This space will serve as your sanctuary, the place where you can focus on your breath and the connection between your body and mind. Your attire is just as important. Opt for clothing that is comfortable, breathable, and allows you to move freely. You don't want anything hindering your ability to flow through your yoga sequence. Next, let's talk about your yoga mat. This will be your foundation, providing you with the grip and support you need for each pose. A good quality mat can make a world of difference in your practice. And let's not forget hydration. Keep a bottle of water nearby. Staying hydrated is crucial to maintaining energy and focus throughout your workout. With these essentials in place, you're ready to embark on your power yoga journey. Here's your step-by-step guide to a 20-minute power yoga workout. We begin with the mountain pose, also known as Tadasana. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart, grounding your heels into the floor. Lengthen your spine, and let your arms hang naturally by your sides. Breathe deeply, consciously. This pose helps in improving your posture and balance, and it forms the base for all standing poses in yoga. Next, we transition into the upward salute, or Urdhva Hastasana. Inhale as you sweep your arms up and overhead, reaching towards the sky. This pose stretches and tones your abs while improving digestion. It's also a great way to relieve stress and anxiety. From here, we move into the standing forward bend, or Uttanasana. Exhale as you fold forward from your hips, letting your head hang heavy. This pose stretches your hamstrings and hips, strengthens your thighs and knees, and is a wonderful way to calm the mind and soothe nerves. Then we'll step back into the plank pose, or Phalakasana. Your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. This pose strengthens your arms, wrists, and spine, and tones your abdomen. It's a fantastic full-body workout in one pose. Lower yourself into the four-limbed staff pose, or Chaturanga Dandasana. Keep your body parallel to the floor as you hold this pose. Chaturanga Dandasana strengthens your arms, wrists, and lower back. It also helps in developing core stability. Next, we transition into the upward-facing dog, or Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Inhale as you lift your chest towards the sky, keeping your wrists under your shoulders. This pose strengthens the spine, arms, and wrists, and helps improve posture. It also stretches the chest and lungs, shoulders, and abdomen. From here, we move into the downward-facing dog, or Adho Mukha Svanasana. Exhale as you lift your hips up and back, creating an inverted V shape with your body. This pose energizes the body, strengthens the arms and legs, and helps relieve back pain. We then move into the warrior eye pose, or Virabhadrasana Y. Step your right foot forward, bend your knee, and lift your arms overhead. This pose strengthens the shoulders, arms, legs, ankles, and back. It also improves focus, balance, and stability. Transition into the Warrior 2 pose, or Virabhadrasana 2, by opening your hips and chest to the side, extending your arms in line with your shoulders. This pose strengthens your legs and ankles, stimulates your abdominal organs, and increases stamina. Finally, we end with the corpse pose, or Savasana. Lie flat on your back, letting your body relax and breathe naturally. This pose calms the brain, relaxes the body, and helps relieve stress and fatigue. Remember, consistency is key in yoga. Practice these poses regularly to see improvements in your strength and endurance. Before we continue our power yoga workout, we'd love for you to engage with us. Give us a thumbs up if you're enjoying this video so far. Your likes help us reach more people, just like you, who are interested in improving their strength and endurance through yoga. Now imagine a subscribe button popping up on your screen. Clicking this button means you'll never miss out on our latest videos. We constantly update our channel with new workouts, tips, and tricks to help you on your yoga journey. So don't hesitate, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And while you're at it, make sure to check out the description box below this video. We've got some incredible deals on yoga essentials that you wouldn't want to miss. From the perfect yoga mat to comfortable, flexible attire, yoga blocks, and straps, we've got you covered. These super deals are designed with you in mind to help you get the most out of your yoga practice. Now, let's get back to our power yoga workout. Remember, practice makes perfect, and consistency is key in yoga. So keep practicing these poses regularly to see improvements in your strength and endurance. To enhance your yoga practice, we've curated a list of yoga essentials for you. Imagine the perfect yoga mat, comfortable, non-slip, and just the right thickness to cushion your body during your practice. Now picture yourself in breathable, flexible attire that moves as you move, allowing you to transition from asana to asana seamlessly. What about yoga blocks, you ask? Well, these little helpers are not only great for beginners, but also for seasoned yogis looking to deepen their stretches. And let's not forget the yoga straps. They can help you maintain proper alignment and increase your flexibility over time. All these yoga essentials are available at super deals that are too good to ignore. Whether you're just starting your yoga journey or looking to upgrade your gear, these deals are designed with you in mind. So why wait? Embark on your yoga journey with the best tools at hand. Check the description below for these super deals. You've taken the first step towards a stronger, more resilient you. Congratulations! Remember, this is just the beginning of your power yoga journey. Each day, each practice brings you closer to your goals, and the beauty is in the journey itself. Allow yourself to embrace the process and remember that consistency is key. This is not a sprint, it's a marathon. So keep showing up, keep practicing, and you'll see the transformation unfold. One day you'll look back at this moment, at this first step, and you'll be amazed at how far you've come. Just imagine that feeling of accomplishment, the strength and endurance you'll have built. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. We're here to support you on your journey, so don't hesitate to reach out. Subscribe to our channel, leave a comment, and share your experiences. We'd love to hear about your power yoga journey.